Today, we embark on an action-packed journey with colossal forestry machines. The saws and log splitters will amaze you with their extraordinary power. This self-propelled machine glides over rugged terrain, conquering mud, rocks, and steep slopes without slowing down. Every movement is astonishingly precise, showcasing the perfect combination of mechanical power and advanced control technology. The Ecolog 584F is more than just a material handling machine, it is a symbol of performance, durability, and exceptional adaptability. Even in the harshest conditions, this machine operates reliably, delivering outstanding efficiency for the forestry industry. The John Deere 959M Feller Buncher charges into the battle of the giant machines. Its 250 horsepower engine roars, delivering immense power to the razor-sharp cutting system like molten steel. The John Deere 959M not only showcases its strength but also demonstrates precise operation and exceptional efficiency in harsh environments. The CBI 6400 CT springs to life, its engine roaring across the recycling yard. Giant grinding teeth spin at terrifying speeds, devouring every log and branch in their path. Debris flies continuously like a shower of wood chips, showcasing the immense power and impressive efficiency of the shredding system. Compared to the size of a person standing nearby, the entire system looks truly enormous. Incredible! The CBI 6800 CT Landclear appears like a true steel monster, its 750 horsepower engine roaring, shaking the ground beneath. The massive flywheels begin to spin, driving the high-capacity grinding system, ready to devour every stubborn log in its path. Tree trunks as large as utility poles are pulverized into small fragments, scattering like a storm of wood chips. A perfect display of power and performance. Wow! The massive K700 roars to life. The gleaming golden steel behemoth charges forward, its enormous wheels crushing the ground beneath with immense power. In just seconds, the K700 growls, ripping entire root masses weighing hundreds of kilograms from the earth. The Kubota Excavator springs into action, powered by its 4-cylinder, 75-horsepower engine. The stump cutting system activates, with steel blades spinning rapidly, slicing stumps into neat, precise sections. Not only powerful, the Kubota also demonstrates exceptional efficiency, saving both time and effort. The WG24 PTO Stump grinder springs to life, its 25 horsepower engine roaring with authority. Sharp grinding blades spin at dizzying speeds, each rotation striking stubborn stumps like a steel storm. Not only fast, this machine also optimizes time and effort, becoming a reliable companion for forestry workers. The Tigercat 860 roars through the swamp. The colossal machine moves forward, its sturdy tracks rolling over thick mud without faltering. Each tree trunk falls neatly, showcasing the astonishing precision and power of Tigercat technology. If you appreciate this content, please like and subscribe to our channel to help us spread positive messages. The Bugnut BFTP roars to life. This colossal machine growls as its grinding blades spin wildly, unleashing tremendous horsepower that shakes the ground. Tree stumps as large as a person are pulverized into tiny fragments, scattering like dust. Every movement of the Bugnut BFTP is decisive, precise, and full of power. With just a slight adjustment from the operator, the machine continues to devour every obstacle in its path. The Volvo FH550 appears like a steel giant amidst the mountains. The truck, heavily loaded with 52-foot-long logs, rolls steadily through sharp turns and steep, treacherous slopes. Its massive wheels grip the road firmly, and the stabilization system works flawlessly, keeping the entire load balanced. Even on rugged terrain, mud, or steep inclines, this machine moves smoothly and gracefully, as if on a flat road. Wow! The radio-controlled steel beasts spring into action, their engines roaring across the snow-covered mountains. The massive tracks spin powerfully, gripping the thick snow while hauling multi-ton, long logs with astonishing ease. Absolutely stunning. The TurboSaw RT3400 begins to spin, its massive blade gleaming in the sunlight, emitting a powerful, resonant roar. Each rotation is precise, powerful, and fully controlled, showcasing the exquisite craftsmanship of its mechanical design. The DXA530 roars to life with a powerful, commanding sound. Its high horsepower engine, combined with sharp cutting blades, allows the DXA530 to effortlessly slice through thick branches, delivering impressive speed and precision. The US Pride Products 800 springs into action, its conical log splitter spinning with tremendous torque, cutting deep into even the toughest logs. The high horsepower engine delivers consistent power, allowing the operator to easily choose between two adjustable speeds, one for powerful splitting and one for rapid processing. If you enjoy these explorations, don't forget to leave a comment below. It's the motivation that drives me to bring you even more exciting journeys. The TMK 300 tree shear mounted on the Swift Fox Industries skid steer springs to life. The massive steel clamp closes with force, and the sharp blade descends, cutting through large tree trunks in a single motion. A perfect combination of mechanical power and precision engineering. Spectacular! The Deere 350 springs to life, its powerful engine roaring, shaking the forest as the machine moves forward. This machine not only clears vegetation but also tills the soil, preparing the perfect foundation for land reclamation projects. The massive grinding head lowers, steel blades spinning at incredible speed, turning shrubs, branches, and small stumps into fine mulch within seconds. Amazing! The Valtra paired with the Guerra R16 trailer forms a perfect duo, showcasing exceptional power and stability across all terrains. The Guerra R16 trailer, with its durable construction and intelligent load-holding system, ensures every cargo remains safe and balanced throughout operation.